Namaste all, this is Bini. Welcome you all to my channel Yoga with Bini. Today we are going to learn some of the breathing exercises which is good for your health, your body, your mind, all the nervous system, and it helps to increase your immunity power. So first let's get into Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama cleanses all the impurities in your channels or the blockages. It helps to detoxify your body completely. It calms down your stress and tension. So let's see how we are going to practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. First you are taking Nasika Mudra. That is bending your second and third finger. Take your right hand, bending your index and middle finger. Now you are going to use your thumb and ring finger for the practice. Make your spine straight, left hand open, or else you can place it in a relaxed manner. Take your right hand, close your right nostril with the right thumb. Then you are slowly inhaling through your left side. Slow and deep breath through your left side. After complete deep breath, close your left nostril. Then exhale through your right. Slowly and deeply your exhale. Then again you are inhaling through your right side. Close and then exhale through the left. So this is a one cycle of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. You are not forcefully inhaling, you are not forcefully exhaling.